Hi everyone, my name is Tina and welcome to Baking with Tina. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make brownies. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. In a microwave-safe bowl, add your butter and chocolate. Microwave it in 30-second intervals, stirring after each one until the chocolate is completely melted. In a small bowl, sift together the cocoa powder and flour to ensure that there are no lumps in the batter, and it will create a fluffier texture in the brownies.
Next level.
In a large mixing bowl, mix together your eggs and your sugars. Beat until it's light and fluffy or lighter in color and doubled in size.
Next level.
Add your cold chocolate mixture into your egg mixture and mix until the chocolate mixture is completely combined with the egg mixture.
Next level, 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 level,
Add the dry ingredients in thirds. Make sure to sift it once more as it will incorporate more air into your batter. Mix until all your dry ingredients are fully incorporated.
next level.
This step is optional, but if you would like, you can add chocolate chips to the batter right before you put it in the pan. Here I am using a 9x9 inch square pan, which is lined with parchment paper. You don't have to use a 9x9 inch pan, you can actually use a rectangular pan or whatever shape pan you would like. It is really up to your decision. And you just want to pour your batter and spread it out evenly so when it bakes there won't be like uneven thickness in the brownie. And you just want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake it for 30 to 35 minutes or until you can see the flakes on top of the brownie. Once the brownies are baked, you want to leave them out to cool for about 20 minutes. Then you want to take them out of the pan and remove the parchment paper, and you want to cut them into smaller pieces. I cut mine in 16 pieces, and you can cut them into however many pieces you would like.
Next level.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and you can try this recipe out. Don't forget to like and subscribe and tune in for my next video. Bye!